We made it to the Westin. We're gonna give you a tour of the lobby and then our room. Do you want to?
Alright, so this is the claim.
Are you gonna be the tour guide or not?
No.
No.
One of the kids can't.
So we're walking into the lobby. It's super nice. Beautiful. Wow, guys. Beautiful. What is there, Chloe? There's baby yellow fishies?
Yeah, baby yellow fishies and
So we are at the Westin Nanea Villas. Gonna give you a tour of the 2-bedroom villa. That's where we're staying. Cooper, what hotel are we at?
At
Westin, yeah. Can you go swimming? Nice little courtyard area here. There is another Westin that direction, which if you're staying at the villas, you can use their pools and also charge to the room at that one as well. So that's good to know if you're staying here and you want to go. They have bigger pools over there. Okay, the building we're going in is called the Walawaya. So we want to go up to level 6, okay, Coop?
I don't want to go to water.
Okay, here's our room, 1608.
1608.
All right, Cooper, will you find the light switch? All right, we're in the room.
Okay.
Look at that nice table, kitchen. Over here's the bathroom.
Here's the bathroom here.
Oh, you're gonna be the tour guide?
Here's the here's the bedroom. That will be Daddy's and that will be Mommy's. And here's a
King size bed. And then check out the view. We got a resort view, I believe. But look at how beautiful. Oh, you can see the ocean. Okay, yeah, it looks like there's a patio with a table outside.
Yeah.
So let's check out the bathroom. That's the most fun part.
And this is the bathroom.
There's a toilet, bathtub. Nice kitchen. Just wait till you see the table out on the balcony. Oh my gosh, look at that table, guys.
And here's Grandpa and Opa and Grandma. Let's come out.
Oh my gosh.
We can have dinner right here.
And look at that view. Good view from this room. I thought we were just gonna have a resort view.
Yeah, just nice.
It's actually like the perfect view. You got the mountains in the back and the ocean all in one. Wow. Beautiful. So this room is not considered an oceanfront view. So that's good to know if you are staying the resort view, you get a view of both. And here's the second bedroom. This is probably the master bedroom. Look at the bathroom. Look at this wall. The wall slides closed. That's weird. It's got the whole wall that slides closed.
No!
Weird bathtub.
And who's this?
Oh, this shower is sweet. Look at got the overhead shower.
Bathroom.
It's like an overhead shower.
Yeah.
Watch how the water comes out of this tub. Isn't that cool? What's your issue?
There's a potty, so I'm gonna go potty.
To get a full stove, oven, cutting board with knives, microwave, dishwasher, fridge and freezer. Wow, look at that. There's even a little pantry hidden in here. Got a blender, can opener. You okay, Cody? Cody found the secret room. I bet the washer and dryer is in here. Yep, washer dryer. So they got full washer dryer. Oh, there's a bathroom there. Cool. Wow. Alright, that's a quick tour of the Westin. Is it Nanea or Nanea? Nanea Villas, 2-bedroom. Links down below if you want to book a room here. Doing so will help us out. There's Ebates you can do through Rakuten, as well as possibly Red Week, because some of these are timeshare rentals. But we did book this directly through the Westin. It is part of Marriott,
So where's more other places?
but make sure you give it a thumbs up. We're going to be going to the Marriott Ocean Club next, and we'll have a tour of that, and I will put a link to that in the description when we're done.